Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the apps. And then let's scroll all the way down to find special access, and here install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome. So just find the Chrome in the list, tap on it and tap on the switcher next to it. And as you can see, after getting back, the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by entering the app and tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.